The Lakas Christian Muslim Democrats or Lakas CMD has forged alliance with Partido Federal ng Pilipinas or PFP to further promote people's interest under Bagong Pilipinas program of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Speaking during the alliance signing, President Marcos said his government is doing transformative governance, but still combating hunger remains a major challenge for the Marcos administration.
Ang tanong sa akin nung bago akong umupo ay, ano ang pangarap mo? Ano ang pangarap mo para sa Pilipinas? At ang sagot ko'y simpleng-simple lang. Wala nang gutom. Simple lang yan. Hindi pa tayo naabot doon. We have not yet achieved that aspiration.
President Marcos emphasized the importance of continuing the call for unity as a solution to the country's challenges. According to President Marcos, he wants to rebuild the unity team for the upcoming elections.
Pag kagaya ng ating ginawa sa nakarang halalan, ay bubuhin uli natin. Hindi naman we have to formalize it because may political cycle. So bubuhin uli natin at formalize uli natin ang unity team.
With 100 members, Lakas CMD is also the biggest party in the House of Representatives. The two parties were part of the Uniteam coalition in the 2022 elections, along with Puwersa ng Masang Pilipino and the political party of Vice President Sara Duterte, Hugpong ng Pagbabago or HNP. Nel Maribuhok, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.